Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 1974 Jensen Healey. And interestingly enough, this comes from Tom Healey. Not the same Healey as the Jensen Healey, but I just thought it was cool that the owner is also named Healey. And this customer did give me permission to mention his first and last name in the video. So Tom's requested the internal conversion to greatly increase the output power and also the Bluetooth feature. And so we're going to go ahead and turn it on and make sure it all works before we send it back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can check the virtual balance and fader controls during talk radio, not get nailed for copyright issues. Now, one thing I'll say about this radio is I stopped taking in these smaller aftermarket units. This may be the original factory install, but its thinness is basically an aftermarket unit. The controls are cheap. They don't have nearly as long of a lifespan. So as a result, Tom's tone control is defective, so I'm using his original balance control as the tone control. This control will also adjust the front rear fader and the left right balance. It's all in this one knob. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM.
We're 1x13.
There's our AM.
This is a battleground state.
Let's demonstrate our balance and fader functions.
Side one is we got to hold the house, otherwise day one Donald Trump's going to get impeached.
Virtual front rear fader.
Numbers. If he wins,
fader adjust.
Okay.
We're going to win.
All the way front.
We got to focus on
all the way
that.
rear.
And the second thing we got to
front.
It's a
Rear.
10-year play.
Okay,
The number of
I'm try to
Republicans
center him.
vulnerable. The number of Democrats vulnerable. This is a 10-year play.
Fader
set. Okay.
Tim
Left right
Tell me
balance.
about him. All right. For
balance adjust.
Okay.
young guy,
All the way
exciting,
left.
the bronze
All the way
star
right.
him.
Left.
Link to
Right.
Montana, great story, real short.
Okay.
Him and his
Center.
wife are overseas fighting. He's married a Marine.
Balance set.
Okay.
And,
Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore.
And he and his wife got married.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now let's move over to
He
FM.
came back. He
And Dante Bo coming up next on your celebration.
Republican allegations.
1st through August.
Okay. All right, let's try the 8-track. Ready? Pull the tape out, the radio comes back. Alrighty, that takes care of that, and I'm ready to get on to the next video after I do the paperwork on this one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order off that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. The work order will answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out. Then that way, if you need to call me, it's just for a quick 5-minute verification of something, or to even just to get to know and trust me. That's fine too, but please don't hit me with what all do you do and how much does it cost, because that's all in the work order and it's on the website. So if you do that research beforehand, you'll save me a lot of time on the phone and away from the bench where the work actually gets done. So please do that. Thanks for watching and listening, and thank you, Tom, for your business all the way from Bend, Oregon, and we'll see you guys next time.